Can I ask you a question, please?
No. My apologies. We should have been in the studio.
You were hiding here, wasn't
My
you?
fault that we couldn't manage.
I know you found this place too in a corner that nobody can see you. That was the plan, wasn't
We
it?
came here just to see you.
No, yeah. Can I ask you a question then? Hello, Reham Khan. Can I ask you a question? Are you going to join Gulai party? Aisha Gulai party.
I wanted to,
Ma'am?
darling.
And how frustrated you are to, First Lady? Are you jealous from Bushra baby?
You can talk to me or you can talk with me.
I'm asking a
Are you
question.
Pashtun?
No.
Oh, you're not Pashtun. Okay. Aisha Gulale.
Are you joining her party?
No, I'm not because I don't know the lady.
But
and I've not met
that's your
her.
mentality is like her, isn't it?
Darling, that's not my mentality. You're a young lady. I hope that you have children. I hope that you're married. And what I would advise you is that before you start hating people,
Not hating. Did I say something? I'm just asking question.
No, you're not
I'm just
asking
asking. I'm just asking question. I'm just asking. Why are you looking at me like that? Like you're gonna kill me?
Conversation because he's my son and you're being rude to his mother.
No.
And
I'm just asking question. This is just a question.
Yes, I am.
Are you jealous from the Bushra Bibi? She's the first lady. Are you okay? Are you jealous that nobody interviewing in Pakistan? What they don't have?
Bushra Bibi is Imran.
Are you okay?
Can I
Okay.
answer the question?
Nobody.
Can I answer the question?
Yeah.
I'm going to answer all your questions.
Okay.
Bushra Bibi is Imran's wife now, right?
Yeah.
And I'm very happy that she is his wife.
Why are you mocking about her hijab?
I'm asking.
Why are you mocking about her hijab? The way she
Can I
does.
answer one question? Shall
Yeah.
I answer one question, then answer
Yeah,
the second one?
yeah.
Because I can answer all your questions.
Okay, it was short.
I don't
No,
want
it's
to
not
be-
speed. Just ask quick and short.
I'm very happy not to stand with a man that I do not respect. So I do not want to be, the first lady is not that important because what is most important is you are answerable only to Allah.
Exactly,
Not to you,
exactly.
And I cannot be. So Islam says that you be with someone who you believe in and who you're true to.
So
And
why
I
you
do
did not
respect
ask
this
for
man.
divorce when you know everything is going wrong? He gave you divorce, not she. You didn't ask for divorce.
I would suggest
The
that
day
you
you,
read-
the day,
Have
the
you
day
read the
you
book?
found out.
Have you read the book?
Oh, nobody can read this book. That's a
can't read the
flop.
book?
No, nobody can read this book.
Well, what I will do is
No,
that I will
no,
send
no,
you
no,
a
no.
free copy. You read the
No,
book
no,
and you
no.
find out what happened. You will read the book. I cannot be with a man. I cannot be with a man.
Jemima Khan spent years with
I
her,
cannot
with
be with
him,
a man.
Imran Khan, and she never done this.
I cannot be
She
with
knows
a man.
better than
I
you,
cannot
and you
be-
only stayed with
I
him 9
cannot
months,
be with
and
a
you know
man.
about
I
everything.
cannot be with a man
Hmm?
who has a wife in his house and is sleeping with other women, and I have that evidence.
Why you
God
didn't?
knows
Why you
very
didn't
well.
ask for divorce then?
That's what I did, darling.
No,
I
they didn't.
left.
He
Yes,
gave
I
you
did.
divorce.
That's what
He gave you divorce.
Allah
You did, no.
Allah
Yeah. You look jealous to me. Yeah. Yeah.
Sanjay,
And why you were chosen this place, corner, no, like nobody can see you. Maybe you thought nobody can see you. Let's choose the place. So, but maybe that's yeah, exactly. Maybe Allah sent me here. Maybe Allah sent me here, isn't it? Because you thought in the corner, look in the corner in the park, you chose this place like nobody can see, and you're giving Indian media talking. You're just talking crap about Pakistan. You are disrespecting your country, and whenever you want, you become British, and when you want to talk against Pakistan, then you become Pakistani. Inshallah, Ameen. It's Maghrib time, and Allah करे आप सच बोलें. Allah करे कि आप सच बोलें, and jealousy छोड़ दें. Allah करे कि आप सच बोलें और ये इमरान खान का पीछा छोड़ दें. आपका chapter is closed. Your chapter is closed, yeah?
Why are you here?
Yeah, I live here. I come every day here.
Right.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Do you own this place?
Do you? Do you? Do you?
But for your information, if Allah sent you, He could have sent someone more intelligent. So.
Oh, well, that's Allah's choice, isn't it? That's not your choice, is it?
Sanjay, I was going to say that our background is corrupt.
And why are you hypocrite? When you everywhere you are without dupatta, and as you're in front of the camera, you start taking dupatta on. Why would you do that? It's not hypocrisy, is it?
She didn't understand about Pakistan and stuff like that.
I'll get back into it.
You know, these things are maybe known
आगे पीछे दुपट्टा लेना नहीं, कैमरे के आगे दुपट्टा ले लो आगे फौरन. And I think you know that India is creating terrorism in Pakistan, and you can't say that. You don't have guts to say that, do you?
Go, but she's on the main CNN one. So I gave her the documentary thing as well.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
You know, India is creating terrorism in Pakistan, in Balochistan.
Apologies about having to speak under these conditions.
It's
My
okay.
apologies.
I'm used to it. Gee, I'm used to it.
She's a celebrity. She can manage. Flop celebrity. Do you want to say something? You want to stare at me again, little boy? She's hiding here in Kingston upon Thames, in the park, and she thought nobody can see her. Or maybe Allah sent me, isn't it? She can only give interview to Indian media, that's it. Because Pakistani media doesn't give her a gas.